Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing my first ever pack opening. We're going to be doing the Legendary Collection Kaiba. So on the back we got powers, what this game is all about, Seto Kaiba. 35 cards basically. We got 5 ultra rare cards, 30 cards, so 10 cards in each pack, 6 ultra rares and 4 secret rares, 2 game boards, and then there's the Duel Links promotion. So let's open it up. Alright, so here are the 5 ultra rare cards. We have a Goddess of Sweet Revenge, the King of D, Destruction Dragon, Dragon Revival Rhapsody, and then the Loop of Destruction. Alright, so pretty cool. Here we got the 2 game mats, 1 game mat. Oh, 2 sides. Oh, this is really cool. It's nice. So here we got the packs. Same card per pack. We got number S39, Utopia the Lightning, a Dark Arm Dragon, Doom Virus Dragon, Dragoonity Ducks, Master with Eyes of Blue, with Thunder Dragon. It's really cool. XYZ Dragon Cannon. This is really cool because I wanted to make a XYZ ABC deck. You know, Rider of the Storm Winds. A Beacon of White Secret, that's nice. And Return of the Dragon Lords, this will be good for my other dragon deck I'm making, that's nice. Do the secret rares and ultra rares. Alright. Second one we got. A Assault Core, that's good. A Silver's Cry, that's nice. A V Tiger Jet, wow, I'm just getting all the cards I need. A Vorse Raider, that's nice, cool. Spell Reproduction. Eradicator Epidemic Virus. X Head Cannid. Dragoonity Legionnaire. Chain Disappearance. And B Buster Drake. So we got the secret rare cards. What's the other one? And then ultra rare cards. Alright, so here's our last pack. You get 35 cards with this pack. You know, 10 cards per pack. You get 3 packs, I mean. And then you got the 5 Sea Crush Wyverns, so got all that. Neutron Blast for the Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon, that's cool. A VW Catapult, that's nice. A Regeki, or Regeki. A Virus Cannon. A Blue Eyes Twin Burst Dragon, that is really nice. Actually, I'm gonna sleeve that up. That is real nice. You got a Protector with Eyes of Blue, Z Metal Tank, an Enemy Controller, and a Sage with Eyes of Blue. That is nice. Just in case you guys didn't see it, I got the Loop of Destruction, Goddess of Sweet Revenge, and King of D. And you got the Action Monster Zones, Pendulum Zones. On the other side is the cover with Dragon of Destruction, Kaiba Corp. Alright, well that wasn't too bad. 35 cards, pretty cool ones too.